how you can copy the path on your MacBook easily. Here you can see that I have an image and I am going to copy the path of this image. Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. Now from your keyboard, press and hold Option key, and here you can see the option to copy the path appears. Now copy it and then check it. If you don't want to miss these types of tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to tutorials.globally.com channel. Paste it where you want. For the check, go to thetoolswebsite.com and open text editor and paste the path and check it. As you can see that both paths are same. Like this video. For more easy to understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.